Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. We're glad you're here. Smoked sausage can be made many different ways. Now I'm going to use two different kinds of sausages today. One is a jalapeno cheddar flavor, and the other one is a pork and alligator. We're going to start by dicing our sausage. We're going to cut them all the way along the length, and then again. Line them up, make a nice dice. Same goes with that cheddar and jalapeno. Ooh, look at those chunks of cheddar and jalapeno in there. Now the sausage is already smoked and cured, but we're going to add some color to them and flavor by giving them some caramelization in the skillet. So we're going to add just a drop of oil, not a lot, just a little. Get that sausage in there. And when you first put the sausage in the pan, don't touch it. Let it sit in there for 1 to 2 minutes to caramelize. That's also going to give you a burn on the bottom of the pan called fond, which is going to really add flavor to our finished dish, which we'll show you in a minute. Now that's what I'm talking about. See that residual burn right there? That's the fond. We're going to drain it into a bowl with a paper towel lining the bottom. We're going to go back to the heat and add our onions and bell pepper. And the same goes with this. Don't touch it. Let it sit. Give it at least a minute or two to caramelize, get some flavor, have a little bit of wine. See what I mean? Caramelization, color, flavor, delicious. Now that we've got some color on our peppers and onions, we're going to add our garlic. We didn't add the garlic with the peppers and onions because if you burn the garlic, it's very bitter. We're only going to cook this for about 1 minute. Now that our garlic is fragrant, before it burns, we're going to add our chicken stock. Which will deglaze the bottom of the pan, bring all that color and flavor off the bottom. Now we're also going to add some Chardonnay to the pan as well to add some extra flavor. My favorite is this cupcake butter kiss Chardonnay. About a 1/4 cup. The rest is for me. Now that our simmer is going, it's safe to add our heavy cream and pepper flakes, which are optional, but I'd use them. And we'll bring it together to simmer for 3 minutes. I'm going to add a pinch of salt and some fresh cracked pepper. And our last ingredients are going to be the cooked and drained pasta, our cooked and drained sausage, drained diced tomatoes, and we'll stir to combine. We're going to finish by grating some cheese on top. You can use whatever you like. I like fresco because it melts really nice. We'll get this on top. You can even use a little Gruyere if you want. And at this point, we just turn off the heat, cover, let rest for 3 minutes, and have some more cupcake. We're going to do some green onion tops for garnish. Wow, I think we're ready to eat.